Hey everybody, doing some picado here. We're going to be going in F sharp Phrygian with the Tarantos key and just doing the basic scale here. I'm going to be doing it in two ways. One way with no bar and the second way with a bar. We've done lots of other work where you practice with a bar and everything, so this shouldn't be something that you have a question about, but feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all. And I'm starting at 72 beats per minute. Watch all the other work on Picado if you have questions about the technique. But again, feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all, okay? So we have it at 72. I'm going to count in 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar. Alright, now we're going to take this up to somewhere over 100. Let's see where it stops. Let's go to 108, okay? So now we're going to go 108. Count in, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. One more. There we go. All right. So, like I mentioned, any questions, let me know. All right? Bye-bye.